mitochondria cell organelle. Number of cristae are present in the mitochondria. This mitochondria present in animal cell, plant cell, and oocyte, sperm cell. All cells present in the mitochondria is the cell organelle, and other cell organelle also, that is the lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosomes. All these are the cell organelle. One of that is the mitochondria. It is commonly called as the powerhouse of cell, with energy storage and in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is the cristae granules. This is the granules. Inner membrane. The inner membrane. And outer chamber. Outer chamber. This mitochondria, in the mitochondria central, this is the central cavity, and to fill in the cytoplasm of mitochondria, that is the matrix. Number of cristae are also present. Numerous cristae present in the single mitochondria, and this is the granules. Inner membrane and outer chamber or outer membrane. This is the mitochondria. Mitochondria present in the mitochondria was first recognized by Kallikar in 1850. Kallikar 1850 first discovered. This scientist, that is the Kallikar is discovered 1850, and Warburg in 1913. Warburg 1913. Kallikar 1850 and Warburg 1930. Mitochondria are also known as powerhouse of cell. It is commonly called as powerhouse of cell. As their primary function is to provide chemical energy ATP. Primary function is to be converted to ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ATP, for use by the cell. occurrence mitochondria are granular or filamentous organelles present in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria are the granular or filamentous organelle present in the cell or in the cytoplasm of protozoa, animal and plant cells. In the cells of kidney tubular, they occurs in the fold of basal regions. Folds of the basal region in the kidney. Near plasma membrane. Folds in the basal region of the near the plasma membrane. In the neurons, they are located in the transmitting regions of the impulse. Morphology. Next is morphology. Mitochondria appear as rod-shaped. Its shape is rod-like, rod-shaped. Filamentous or granular structure. Filamentous or granular structure. Filamentous or granular structure. This type of granular structure. Granular structure in the majority of the cells. They appear as granular in spermatozoa. They appear in the granular in spermatozoa. Spermatozoa and oocyte. Means granular structure of mitochondria present in the sperm, spermatozoa and oocyte. Oocyte and club shaped in liver cells and club shaped in liver cell. Club shaped in the liver cell. Liver cells. First of mitochondria vary in size from 0.5 to 0.5 to 2. The number of mitochondria per cell varies according to the function and volumes of the cells. In some race, case mitochondria may be branched. Ultrastructure of mitochondria is double-walled structure. This is the double-walled structure of mitochondria. Like ice box or thermos bottle, it consists of an outer and inner membranes, and enclosed within them are two compartments or the chambers. Two compartments, inner layer membrane and outer membrane or chambers. Two compartments present in the ultrastructure of mitochondria. Mitochondrial membrane. Both the mitochondrial membranes are trilaminar unit membrane about 60 to 70 angstrom thick. 60 to 70 angstrom unit thick. This is the 60 to 70 angstrom unit thick. (60 to 70 angstrom thick). Outer mitochondrial membrane forms uninterrupted outer boundary, uninterrupted outer boundary of mitochondria and isolated its contents from the cytosol. It shows simultaneously, similarly with endoplasmic reticulum. It shows similar to endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. At points, it is connected with the membranous of endoplasmic reticulum. At the point that is connected with the endoplasmic reticulum. All these are the cell organelles: Golgi complex, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria. And this mitochondria resembles to the endoplasmic reticulum. Inner mitochondrial membrane. The inner membrane is projected into central space. This is the inner membrane of mitochondria, projected to the central mass. Projected to the central mass space in the form of finger-like projections known as cristae. This is the finger-like projection known as cristae. Finger-like projection known as cristae. All these are the cristae, finger-like projections. Cristae. They penetrate the matrix of mitochondria. Penetrate the matrix of mitochondria, and this cristae to penetrate in the matrix. This is the granular matrix. Inorganic material that is called as matrix. Penetrate means in the merge. The space between outer and inner membrane is known as perimitochondrial space. Perimitochondrial space. This is the inner membrane and outer membrane. In this space, in between the inner and outer membrane space, that is the perimembranous space. That is called as perimembranous space. Perimitochondrial space. It is 20 to 60 angstrom unit. 20 to 60 angstrom unit. 20 to 60 angstrom unit. The inner mitochondrial membrane contains higher percentage of protein, 76% of phosphatidylglycerol called cardiolipin is present in the membrane. Mitochondrial chambers. Outer and inner mitochondrial chambers also present. Mitochondrial chambers, they said outer and inner. Outer chambers is the intermembranous or perichondrial space between the outer and inner membranes of mitochondrial, which also extends into the core of cristae. Core of the cristae present in the mitochondria. The inner chambers is the space enclosed within the inner membrane. It is a wide space and is filled with the homogeneous mitochondrial matrix. The homogeneous mitochondrial matrix. Homogeneous mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial cristae or cristae. Crist or cristae. The space and arrangement of crest is variable and may be parallel to the long axis, perpendicular to the long axis of the mitochondria, perpendicular to the long axis in the mitochondria. This is the cristae, number of cristae present. Elementary particles. The inner membrane and the crest are covered with the special stalk particles. These are known as elementary particles. The inner membranes and the crest are covered with the special stalk particles. These are known as the elementary particles. This is the elementary particles. Crest and inner membranes covered with the particles. It is the function of the mitochondria. Respiration or oxidation of foodstuffs. Mitochondria are generally known as the powerhouse of cell to storage the energy in the form of ATP. In the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and at the time to given the energy to the cell or body. Because these brings about oxidation of foodstuff, the respiratory cycle which takes place inside the mitochondria is known as Krebs cycles or aerobic respiration. Krebs cycle or aerobic respiration. Very little amount of oxygen also to made in the or formation in the mitochondria. Very little amount of through the Krebs cycle. During this process, the metabolic ends, products of various foodstuff, that is glucose, amino acids and fatty acids, are degraded to the CO2 and water with the intervention of oxygen, and energy is liberated. The energy liberated by the oxidation of foodstuff is located in the energy rich compound adenosine triphosphate. Energy rich compound is called as adenosine triphosphate. Formation of mitochondrial spiral in the developing sperms. During the metamorphosis of spermatids into the sperms, the mitochondria form a spiral around the axial filamentous in the middle part of the sperm. This is the best studies in the insect, which all the mitochondria form a compact body never. Secretion as stress related to the mitochondria with zymogen granules and that these contains proteolytic enzymes activity governing basically isolytic and synthetic activities. Metabolism of fat has associated then with fat metabolism also takes place to the mitochondria. yolk formation. Mitochondria and aids to the help in the formation of yolk material. This yolk material present at the time of embryogenesis to development of embryo in the in contains the egg, and yolk material is the to food for the embryo, to feeding the yolk material and to develop the embryo in the different stages. That yolk material to formation through the mitochondria. Christie becomes disorganized, leaving a few which lie concentric to the outer membrane. Granules appears in the matrix. These aggregate to form the large masses. The mitochondria is converted into yolk stirring body. This is the mitochondria. All these cell organelles present in the cell. Eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell, oocyte, spermatozoa, and liver cell, kidney cell. All these type of cells, this mitochondria present, and this mitochondria is the energy rich compound to storage the energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, remaining part will take the next period. Okay, thank you.